Hello kids, welcome to Penpencil. Hope you're all doing great. Today we are doing an activity. What is that activity? We are doing an activity with clay dough. This is dough. You all know you are all having clay doughs at your home? Okay, today we are going to do one activity. Before that, if you are new to this channel, please like, share and subscribe. Also hit on bell icon to get notifications for new videos. Come on, let us start. Okay, this is orange color dough. This is green color. Okay, this is mud color. Now I am going to make a flower. Okay, for that you have to take this orange color into small balls like this. Okay, small balls you have to take. So come on, I have taken few small balls. I'll remove this one. Which color do you want? We'll keep one first blue color. See, I have taken. Then just keep all those around the blue color one.
Whenever you are free on Sundays, please try to do this type of activities, kids. Okay? This will also improve your creative skills and thinking power.
Now we'll give some leaves. Okay? We'll give some leaves. One more leaf to the left side. Okay, how is the flower? Now we'll do some more decoration. The downside like grass, green grass. Further, we'll take some green dough and keep like this. Okay, it will appear like grass. Okay, like this you have to do some activities with the doughs you are having at home. You should not mix all the colors. If you mix, you cannot make any activity. If you keep them separate, you can make different types of house or sun, moon, like that, a tree, plants, everything you can prepare.
Okay, kids, how is this, kids? Have you liked this video? If you like this, just try to do this type of activities with the dough you're having at your homes. Okay? So that you can be engaged. You can also do different items like houses, mountains, trees, plants, everything. Okay? You can also do animals also. Okay, kids? Hope you have liked this video. If you feel it helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Also hit on bell icon to get notifications for new videos. Thank you for watching, kids. Bye bye.